Welcome to TLH Patterns. In this video, let's see how to crochet these pretty miniature hats. You can use it as a dollhouse miniature or a bag charm. You can also make lovely hair clips using these hats. I'll show you two methods for making the hat. In the first method, the lower part is covered and it has stuffing. You can use it as a bag charm or a keychain. And the second method is like an actual hat. You can use it for your doll. Let's see what all you'll need. I used a sport weight yarn and a 3 mm crochet hook. Apart from that, you'll need cotton for stuffing. You may not need the cotton if you're not going to close the back. You may also need some stuff for decoration such as buttons, ribbons or laces. First, we'll make the lower part. Make a magic ring. Insert hook into the ring and pull up a loop. And then make one chain and work 8 single crochets into the ring. Pull the free end of yarn to tighten the ring whenever needed. Do not join at the end of the round. We are going to work in continuous rounds. So work 2 single crochets in the next stitch and also place a marker in the first stitch. I'll make another single crochet in the same stitch. So you have 2 single crochets in the first stitch, and in every stitch work 2 single crochets. In this round you'll have 16 single crochets. Now we'll start the third round. Remove the stitch marker and in the first stitch work 1 single crochet and then replace the stitch marker. 2 single crochets in the next stitch. So repeat 1 single crochet in the next stitch, then 2 single crochets in the next stitch around, and you'll have 24 stitches. Next is the fourth round. Remove the stitch marker and work single crochet in the first stitch. In this round you'll work single crochet in 2 stitches followed by 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and you'll have 32 stitches. Now we'll start the next round, which is round 5. Remove the stitch marker and work a single crochet in the first stitch. Then make 4 chains. Skip the next 3 stitches and work a single crochet in the next stitch. Then make 4 chains. Skip the next 3 stitches and work a single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this around. After the last 4 chains, work a slip stitch in the first single crochet. You'll have 8 chain 4 spaces. Then we'll start the next round. Slip stitch in the next chain 4 space and then make 3 chains. This will count as the first double crochet, and then work a double crochet in the same space. Then make 1 chain and then work 2 more double crochets in the same space. Then 2 chains. Now work 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the next chain 4 space. Then make 2 chains. Repeat this around. Work 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the next chain 4 space and then 2 chains. Then join the last 2 chains with a slip stitch to the third chain at the beginning of the round. Next is the 7th round. Slip stitch in the next stitch and also in the next chain 1 space. Now make 3 chains. This will count as the first stitch. Then work 4 double crochets in the same space. Chain 1 and then work a single crochet in the next chain 2 space. Chain 1. Now work 5 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. You'll repeat this around. Chain 1 and then single crochet in the next chain 2 space. Chain 1, 5 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. Join with a slip stitch to the first stitch and then cut the yarn off. Now we'll make the upper part. Rounds 1, 2 and 3 will be the same as you did for the lower part. That is, you'll start with the magic ring and work 8 single crochets into the ring. In the second round you'll increase 8 stitches and you'll be having 16 single crochets, and in the next round you'll have 24 single crochets. And in the fourth round I'm going to work single crochet in each stitch, which you'll repeat 2 more times. That is, round 4, 5 and 6 you'll work single crochet in each stitch, and so you'll have 24 stitches in each of these rounds. That's it, the upper part is also complete. Now cut the yarn off. Leave a long tail so that you can use it for sewing it to the lower part. This is how we are going to sew the upper part to the lower part with the stuffing inside. Thread the free end of yarn to the yarn needle and start sewing. When you have done 3/4 of the sewing, you can start stuffing, and then you can complete the rest of the sewing. Now I'll show you how to do the second method, where you will not be closing the back of the hat. So you can use it as an actual hat for your doll. Rounds 1 to 6 are the same as the upper part that I showed previously. So in round 6 you'll have 24 stitches, and you'll work one round of increase in round 7. So in round 7 you'll work single crochet in 2 stitches followed by 2 single crochets in the next stitch, and so you'll have 32 stitches. For the next 3 rounds, repeat rounds 5, 6 and 7 of the lower part. You can decorate these hats with laces, ribbons and buttons. You can also make beautiful hair clips with these hats. You can either glue the hat to the clip or sew it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this pattern. Thank you.